Hello esteemed colleagues, in this instructional video we'll review additional section of planned maintenance module of the WAYL system called Maintenance Archive. This section is intended to show all works that have been completed during maintenance. Maintenance Archive section is available either from homepage or from the left side menu of the system. Upon opening this section you will see the list of all completed maintenance tasks for the selected vessel. You can view details by each record. Simply double-click on the selected record. Pop-up window will appear showing details for the selected record. You can view who have completed the task, the date of completion, additional remarks, attachments and parts have been used if any. Also, you can print selected task as a report. On the top of the list you will find search bar that can be used to find necessary records. Filter by dates and additional checkbox. Codes show only postponed. By activating this checkbox, you will be able to see only postponed maintenance tasks. Please pay attention that it will not show postponement requests, only approved postponed tasks. Lastly, you can print the list of tasks from archive or save it as a file using print button. I hope this information has been helpful. Thanks for watching.